AS or Ind AS both have the same intentions of creating a deferred tax asset or liability. However, the approach adopted by AS and Ind AS are different. Under AS, what we adopt is called as a P&L approach. P&L approach. However, under Ind AS, the approach what we have is called as balance sheet approach. What are these two approaches? P&L approach means we are going to compare P&L as per Companies Act and P&L as per Income Tax Act to identify the differences which are arising because of timing differences. Okay, that means something which is considered as an expense now might be reversed in future. That is something what I call as temporary timing differences. Okay, so these temporary timing differences are something which we look for under AS approach, that is under P&L approach. Something which eventually gets reversed are only those items on which we calculate deferred tax effects. Are only those items on which we calculate deferred tax effects. Whereas under Ind AS, we adopt something called as balance sheet approach. We adopt something called as a balance sheet approach. Now, what does a balance sheet approach mean? A balance sheet approach indicates you would compare books of accounts balance sheet with tax balance sheet. You would compare books of accounts balance sheet with tax balance sheet, and each item is compared for its values. Okay, something which will eventually be reversed in future, that will have an impact in your deferred tax calculation. Okay, otherwise there is no impact at all. Otherwise there is no impact at all. This is what we do in balance sheet approach which we adopt in Ind AS.